national educator.
Welcome to Revise with me, Primary Science. We're going to look at Lesson 6. And as we get into this, I'd want us to look at the questions keenly and be careful when you're answering a question. Always read the question once and the second time so that you're able to get the right point and answer the right question. So can we try? Here I have question 1. What is question 1 asking me to do? Question 1 is saying, in the solar system, Jupiter is found between, again, in the solar system, Jupiter is found between option A, Mercury and Saturn. Option B, Mars and Earth. Option C, Saturn and Mars. Option D, Earth and Mars. So just by looking at the question, I always say we have to find for the verb. Which is the verb in this word, in this question? The verb here is found. So what are some of the key areas or key words that are in this question? Which are some of the key words in this question? Which are some of the key words in this question? The word found. Found means the position in which something is found. Then we have the solar system. We know the solar system is made up of the sun, the 8 planets, and the satellites. So that is the question, where the question is coming from. Not everything you know about the solar system, but the question is, where is Jupiter found in the solar system? That is the question. So the question should always be in your mind as you get to read and think through. So when we talk of Jupiter, this is one of the planets. You know that, as we have the 8 planets. And therefore, what is going to be my approach or your approach? First, planet in the solar system in order. From the sun, you have to order them the way they are from the sun. From the sun, we have the next planet to be Mercury. That is the one that is closest to the sun. And you remember the sun, the planet goes round the sun. See, the orbit is around the sun. So the next one, number 2 of the planet, is the Venus. And then number 3, we have the Earth. And then number 4, we have the Mars. And then number 5, take note, we have the Jupiter. And then number 6, we have Saturn. So between 4 and 5, 4 and 6, there is number 5, the Jupiter. And that was our keyword, Jupiter. It's between number 4 and number 5, Mars and Saturn. And then number 7, we have the Uranus. And then the last planet is the Neptune, which is the farthest from the sun. So as you number them, you are numbering from the sun to the farthest. So that one you have to take note of before you even think of answering the question. You have to note the arrangement, the order from the sun. So as we look at that, looking at the options we have in the question. Option A, Mercury and Mars. When you look at Mercury and Mars, they have Venus and Earth between them. So that gives us that answer not to be correct. Then we go to option B. We have Mars and Earth. between Mars and Earth, we've seen there's no planet. So that gives us that not to be the answer. Then we look at Saturn and Mars. We said between Saturn and Mars, there's number 5, which is Jupiter.